Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Crunchyroll application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language in Crunchyroll, firstly open up your Crunchyroll application. The home page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and under Preferences, tap on Audio Language. Choose or select any language you prefer and tap on it. If you want to change your subtitle language, tap on it and select your preferred subtitle language. This is how you can change language in Crunchyroll application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.